Hi guys, look what I've got here. I've got a Philly Princess surprise tin, and I've got some Lalaloopsy and a Kachooz surprise bag and some Glitzy Globes and one surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's chocolate money from Barbie. And let's have a look at the money. And if I take the wrapper off, the chocolate has the shoe print on it too. And the Barbie logo. And with the stickers you can take them off. And I really like this sticker, I'm going to put it on the egg. Okay, and next up is the Philly Princess surprise tin. Oh, and look, it says we're going to get one golden Philly Princess. And I'll just show you the box. Open. And I've got one surprise bag. And here is the golden Philly Princess. Oh, and wait, look at that! I found the Swarovski Crystal. How exciting! Okay, and now open the surprise bag. Oh, and it feels nice. It's so glory. And let's open the Lalaloopsy. We've got Mari Golden Petals, and it says here that she is always happy and loves to celebrate anything and everything from sunny days to rainy ones. She never needs a reason to have a party, and she bloomed on October 1st. And we've got a little cake and a flower in a pot. And a really cute lady beetle. Fly, lady beetle, fly! And Marigold herself is very sweet. Her legs move up and down. Let's try and get her to sit down. Oops, she's trying to do the splits in her tutu. Here are all the little figurines we've got. I think it looks really pretty. Next is Kachooz. What do we have? We've got number 5. So here's where you put the pencil, and he's got a unicorn, and here you can thread your necklace and wear it. I think I'll try Cinderella's crown on this one. And next are the Jungle Globes from Glitzy Globes. And it's got the Toy of the Year award. Here are all the characters. And let's put them together. First we'll put the figurines on their bases. Put everything in and fill it up with water. Squash it in. You might need some extra squashing. And there you go. Shake them up. And now I'll make the rest. I think this one is like a little tiger. Here are all the toys we found today, And my favorite is the golden Philly princess with the Swarovski crystal. And my second favorite is Mari Golden Petals. She's just so lovely. Let's put everything back into the box. Stay tuned for more surprise toys. Have a lovely day and see you next time.